If you've ever booked a meeting through Calendly and wondered how to actually join it online, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process so you can get into your meeting quickly, whether it opens in your browser, Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open the Calendly meeting confirmation email or the calendar invitation you received after booking. This is the most important place to start because Calendly usually sends your meeting details directly there. Look carefully for the message that confirms your scheduled event and includes the meeting access information. Next, locate the Join Meeting link. In most cases, this link is placed right inside the confirmation email or invitation details. It may also appear as a button or a clickable text link if you don't see it immediately. Scroll through the event details because the host may have included additional instructions, notes, or backup links below the main meeting information. Once you find the link, click it a few minutes before the scheduled start time. This is a smart habit because it gives you time to connect your audio, check your camera if needed, and make sure the meeting opens properly. If the meeting hasn't started yet, you may see a waiting room, a countdown, or a message telling you to wait until the host begins the session. After you click the join link, your meeting may open in your web browser or launch the video conferencing app selected by the host. This could be Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, depending on how the Calendly event was set up. Calendly itself is mainly used to schedule the meeting, not host it, so the actual online meeting happens through the platform connected to the booking. If the browser opens first, follow the on-screen prompt to continue into the meeting. Some platforms will ask you whether you want to join from the browser or open the desktop app. If you already have the app installed, choosing the app can sometimes give you a smoother experience. If not, joining from the browser usually works just fine. If you're using Zoom, you may need to allow the app to open or download first if it's not already installed. If you're using Google Meet, your browser will usually take you straight into the call after you sign in if required. And if the meeting is in Microsoft Teams, you may be asked to sign in with your account or join as a guest, depending on the host settings. Before the meeting starts, check your microphone and camera if the platform gives you the option. This helps you avoid delays once the host begins the session. It's also a good idea to make sure your internet connection is stable and that your volume is turned up so you can hear everything clearly. If the link doesn't open properly, go back to the Calendly invitation and make sure you click the correct Join Meeting button. Sometimes hosts include multiple links, such as a calendar link, a reschedule link, and the actual meeting link. Only the Join Meeting option will take you into the live call. Also, keep in mind that if the meeting starts a few minutes late, that's normal. Some hosts need time to join from their end or may have enabled a waiting room. Just stay on the page and the meeting should begin as soon as the host lets you in. And that's it. Joining a Calendly meeting online is really just about opening your confirmation email, finding the join meeting link, clicking it shortly before the meeting, and then entering through the correct video platform. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very easy. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.